The weather is warming up, so I'm going to make some Mexican-inspired salsas ready for spring entertaining. We're going to start with a traditional Mexican salsa. It's called Pico De Gallo. We need some raw red onion that's finely chopped, and I've just marinated that in a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Next is some finely chopped tomatoes. There's about 3 tomatoes here, and make sure they're nice and ripe. We're going to follow it with some chopped coriander. Get all that in there for some greenery. Now I've got 2 chopped jalapenos, and we only want a little bit, but about 1/4 teaspoon of smoky paprika, about 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm using flaked salt, it gives a nicer flavour. Now I know these look like lemons, but they're actually limes, and my tree is covered in them. This salsa calls for the juice of 2 juicy limes. We're just going to squeeze these out in this Mexican-inspired juicer. This lime juice is going to add a beautiful freshness and zing to the dish. Charred capsicum and corn salsa, and it's really simple because all of its ingredients simply go into this blender. We're going to start with the charred capsicum, which I've done previously, followed by 1 cob of cooked corn, then about 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle powder. Now, chipotles are a smoked dried jalapeno. It's going to give a beautiful smoky flavour. Before we blitz this up, we're going to add our salt, oil and lime juice. Serve these colourful salsas with colourful veg, perfect for your next garden party.